You have exactly $100 to invest. It feels too small to matter. Let's set expectations early. Taking that single $100 bill and putting it into the market is not going to turn you into a tech billionaire. You are also not going to see the explosive overnight wealth that rockets other famous tycoons to the top of the Forbes list. But over the next 6 minutes, you will see exactly how to set up an automated system that invests $100 a month. All it requires is a smartphone and about 10 minutes of your time. Once you make that very first transfer, you cross a psychological threshold. Before, you were someone who intended to invest someday, watching everyone else from the sidelines. Now, you are an active investor. You are in the game. To maintain that status, you have to treat this new habit like a mandatory monthly expense. Think of it as a bill issued by the future you. That bill needs to be paid before your streaming services or your next online order. The exact dollar amount you start with matters far less than the action itself. The only way to build wealth over a lifetime is to actually start the engine, rather than planning to start it someday. Let's put that theory into practice and get the engine running. Step 1 is opening an account with a reliable brokerage. Vanguard, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab all offer solid, low-cost options that take just minutes to set up. Next, link your standard checking account to this new brokerage. Then, configure an automatic recurring transfer of $100 scheduled for the first day of every month. Once the cash arrives, you need to buy an asset. Search for a broad-based index fund that tracks the overall market. Good options include ETFs under the ticker symbols SPY, VOO, IVV, VTI, or VT. Lock in that purchase as a recurring investment. Then, perform the single most critical step in this entire process. Close the app. Automation removes you from the equation. When you check your portfolio every day, you invite emotion and hesitation into decisions that should be purely mechanical. Setting it to run in the background guarantees consistency. About 6 months into this routine, you are going to encounter your first real test. The stock market will eventually experience a pullback or a broader correction. Let's look at the math when that happens. By month 6, you've contributed $600. But when the market drops, your balance might shrink to $567. On paper, you are down. Your instinct will scream that you've made a mistake and that you need to pull your cash out immediately. This chart on the right shows what happens if you act on that panic. If you sell and try to guess when it's safe to buy back in, missing just the 10 best trading days over a 20-year period cuts your total returns in half. You usually miss the recovery entirely. When the drop happens, ignore the red numbers. Because you set up recurring investments, your $100 is simply buying shares at a discount. Let dollar cost averaging do its job, and keep the app closed. You don't build wealth by outsmarting market dips. You build it by controlling your impulses and allowing the compounding process to continue uninterrupted. Here is a graph plotting your wealth over time. In year 1, the progress feels slow. You've deposited $1,200, and with average market returns, you've gained maybe $65 in interest. The result feels completely anticlimactic, but stay disciplined. As we trace this line out to year 10, you have contributed $12,000 of your own money, but your total balance sits around $21,000. The curve is starting to pull upward as the market does more of the heavy lifting. Then we hit year 13, marked here on the timeline. This is the crossover moment. The interest your portfolio generates annually now exceeds the $1,200 you contribute. The wealth machine is officially self-sustaining. It is paying you $100 a month just for leaving it alone. Pushing out to year 30 reveals the true payoff. By sticking to that simple $100 habit, your balance approaches $200,000. For every single dollar you put in, the market adds more than $4 on top of it. The variable that dictates your success is time, not the size of your initial deposit. Giving your money decades to work naturally turns a basic linear savings routine into a self-funding economic engine. If you follow these steps, you establish a system that actively pays you a return while you learn how the market operates, steadily growing your net worth in the background. This comparison chart highlights 2 different starting lines. The person on the left starts at age 25, needing only $100 a month to reach the finish line. The person on the right waits 10 years to start. To hit that exact same goal, they have to carry a much heavier burden, tripling their contribution to $300 a month. If you need a click-by-click guide to opening your account or want the retirement calculators, download the free Investing Roadmap and join the Beginner's Masterclass linked in the description below. Taking action today, even with a tiny amount, eliminates the heaviest penalty in personal finance, the cost of waiting.